Hi everyone, I've been asked to show the burning a ping pong experiment. This was discussed at a #ASE chat discussion that we had. My username is @physics, where the I is a number 1, and part of our discussions were things that we could do at a Y6 open evening with a bit of pizzazz and a bit of wow, something to get people talking. And this is one I've been using for a while. It's all about ping pong balls and burning them. And what's great about a ping pong ball is it's basically a pure hydrocarbon. Of course, when a pure hydrocarbon burns in the oxygen in the air, we end up getting steam, water, H2O, and we also get carbon dioxide, CO2. There is a bit left over. These cheaper ping pong balls especially have plenty of glue associated with all the different parts, but normally just the glue line is what you're left with, and maybe some, as I say, some ash with these cheaper ping pong balls. But of course, if you want to do lots of burning, you need to nip down to one of those big sports stores and get yourself plenty of these things. I think I was getting about 8 of them for about £1.50. Now, importantly, before we do any burning, that we make some holes in these. Now, you need 2 holes. You need 1 hole. Use a sharp pencil to do this in order to hold this. We're going to use some tongs to actually hold the ping pong ball. And on the opposite side, we're also going to make another hole for the gases to escape. When I first started this, I did make the mistake of only making 1 hole, and the resultant was a ping pong ball that kind of exploded a little and flew across the table, and it was rather embarrassing, but it's still a bit of good fun, but not in the vein of safety. And in the vein of safety, I'm putting my safety goggles on because they are needed at all time. You need a second heat-proof mat in this experiment because we're going to light the ping pong ball and then place it over the mat and hold it at arm's length, because such a huge amount of heat is generated, much more than your students and maybe yourself will expect from just a simple little ping pong ball. You don't need a roaring flame, we don't need anything like that, we need a nice yellow flame. It's great as a visual tool, as a demonstration to your class or to some visitors, but what's important is that the cooler flame doesn't initiate the burning so rapidly, so you have enough time to kind of be in control and stand in the correct place. So of course, here we are, let's give it a go. We've got it, we've definitely got the 2 holes. I'm going to place this into the flame. It's just going to start burning, and then I'll just move it across, and as I said, at arm's length, you'll see how bright it gets, how much energy is released, and also I will feel it on my arm. It is really quite hot. So here we go, just lighting it. When I see the first little flame, there we go, we hold it. There's not a lot of smoke being made, not a lot of smoke. There it goes, beautiful. And all we're left with is just a bit of ash. This is the ash that's put together, and possibly something that's burning on the ends from a previous experiment, but there we go. A little bit of ash, and absolutely everything has been transformed into steam and carbon dioxide. And there you go, that is burning a ping pong ball. I hope to maybe chat with you online. Find me on Twitter @physics, where the I is a number 1. See you later.